Hey guys, Chung here. In this video, I'm releasing a preset that changes your 4K footage into 8K. So let's actually start. So first, let's make a 8K timeline here. So here, go to new item, sequence, and I've already made here like a preset here. So it's 8K cineform. So this is the resolution you want, 7680 by 4320. So this is 8K, and yeah, basically here you can then press preset. If you want to make a custom, make sure you have custom here turned on first, and then just save this preset so you have 8K sequence in your list. And now press OK. So now we have like an 8K sequence here. So to show you that, here I have a 4K video, and if I drag this onto here, what happens, you can see that the 4K is really small here. So now here under the presets, so if you go to my website, there'll be a link where you can download the preset, and once you have downloaded it, just right mouse click, choose import preset, and now here the big magic, drag this preset onto here, and it changes your 4K into 8K. So happy April Fool's Day. So this is just a scale up preset, so it just scales it to 200%. So hope you guys found this a funny video. It's not really think you do need a preset for this, just scale it up in motion here. It's super easy. So hope you have a laugh, and yeah, see you the next time. Bye bye.